Hey y'all. So today I wanted to give a demo on using Nooba to create a data mesh across distributed clusters in IBM Cloud Satellite. With Nooba, what we're going to actually do is have bucket placements, object storage buckets that actually form a two-way mesh and replicate data across sites, so there's local access to all data across all sites. So what we'll see is I actually have a location in Tokyo and Sydney. And what we'll do is look at those sites. And what we're going to see is we have a local storage bucket to where that's where our local applications will write data to. That local storage bucket will actually replicate to a demo sync bucket. So the sync to, and that's actually a remote sync to our other location in Tokyo. And then just to close that, we can see in that sync there that the bucket class so the bucket class actually points to the namespace store which is an S3 endpoint in our other cluster managed by Nooba. Yep. So it actually points to an object storage bucket in 11, or demo location 11D1. And then we'll also see on the flip side the same setup from 11, where it will replicate. It will have a local write, and then it will also have a replication to the Sydney site. See. And awesome. So we'll see that we'll have the same setup that's actually local, writing local, and then replicating to the remote site. And now what we can do is actually create some application pods that will be able to write and then watch the replication occur to the remote site. So we're going to get one that's going to be a local writer. And what we're going to do here is get that reference. So we'll go there. We got that. And And then we'll actually get one. It's going to be the remote reader. And that will be demo location 10. And we'll go ahead and get those. And then what we can go ahead and do is in our local write pod, exec in see some of the existing data that we have. And then also copy in some new data. So we'll do AWS S3 copy S3 : / to the local backing store. And then now if we do the ls again, we'll see that that has gotten written. And now what we'll do is go to the other cluster. Perfect. And we'll create a remote reader and a local writer here, and then we can do the same. We'll be able to see the file that we wrote get replicated to the remote site, and then also do the same in the reverse direction. So what we'll do here is look at that. So we're going to get demo location 11 for the remote read. And get that all set up here. Read. And then we'll do the local write. Perfect. Now we will do the local write here, which looks great. And we'll see that high file actually got replicated, which is great. And then what we'll do is in the local writer here, do the same thing. You can do echo by. Copy temp by to S3, local backing store. Awesome, so we got that. And then we can just do AWS S3 LS. So we have by there. And then now, if you go back to our other site, we do a and we'll just wait a second for by to actually get replicated. Do. Make sure here. Should pop up soon. App local writer. Sure, we got the buy. That looks perfect. Nice. I'll center our other namespace, and then now awesome. So now we see that actually the data has, you have that bidirectional async replication. And with that, that just ends the demo and shows how Nooba can actually be utilized to really form this nice data mesh layer across a bunch of different sites to enable, fast local reads and also replication of data across a bunch of sites. Thank you.